Hello, my dear students. Welcome again in our channel. Let's study with Madam Sir. Students, today we are here with our practice set 1. This is 50 questions here with explanation, and the topic of the questions is subject verb agreement. Students, we all read already that what is subject verb agreement. Verb must be according to the subject. There must be agreement between subject and verb. So, let's start the practice set, student. There are 50 questions and with the explanation we are going to solve it. So, fill in the blanks with suitable verbs choosing from the bracket. So, number 1. One of the pupils in our class dash a car. Students, here the subject is what? Starts with one of. So whenever the subject starts with one of, we have to take singular verb. So what is the singular verb here? Owes. Owes is singular verb here. So this is correct one. One of the pupils in our class owes a car. Now number 2. The Lawns of the East dash an interesting book. So student, here the Lawns of the East is the subject here, and it is the name of a book, and that's why here what is the correct one is. Number 3. Apple pie and custard dash my favorite dish. So student, here apple pie and custard are eaten together. That's why here is correct one. Number 4. 10 kilometers dash a long way to walk. Here student, 10 kilometer is a definite distance. That's why each is correct. Number 5. Mohan as well as Shohan. Student, here there are two singular subject joined by as well as. So here was is correct. Singular verb was is correct. Number 6. Neither John nor you. Student, when neither nor two singular subject of different person join with neither nor. So the verb must be according to the nearest verb. So what is the nearest verb here? You. So according to you, what will be the verb? Were. Now next question, same rule here also. Two singular subject of different person, Shobha third person, I first person. So third person and first person join together with either or, conjunction either or. So the verb must be according to the nearest subject. So the nearest subject is I. So what will be the verb here? Am. Am is the correct. Number 8. Neither of them dash wrong. Student, whenever either, neither is the subject, starts with each, every, either, neither. So the verb must be singular. So what was is the correct verb here. Question number 9. The council dash chosen its president. Student, council is what? Council is a collective noun. So that's why here has is correct one. 2 and 2 dash 4. Student, 2 and 2 dash 4. Here there are two subject joined with and, but 2 and 2 here 2 and 2 there are two singular subject joined with and that's why here plural subject make is correct. Question number 11. The cost of all these articles dash risen. Student, here what is the subject? Here the subject is noun plus of plus noun. So the verb must be according to the first noun. What is the first noun here? Cost. So cost is singular, that's why has is correct one here. Number 12. All the student in our college dash English. Student. Here all the student in our college. All the student. Plural one. That's why plural verb learn is correct. Number 13. The quality of the mangoes dash not good. So student, what is the subject here? Again noun plus of plus noun. So the quality is the first noun, that's why according to the quality was is correct verb. Number 14. Each of these minerals dash found in India. Now we have already read student the rule each, every, either, neither starts with, if the subject starts with each, every, either, neither, so the verb must be singular, so each is correct one. Number 15. Iron as well as coal, two singular subject joined with as well as, so here is correct. No news dash good news. No news, news is student a plural, it seems plural but it is singular one, so here is correct. The number 17. The great poet and dramatist. Here student, the is the article here, the is only one. So here the great poet and dramatist, it indicate only one person. Only one person is the great poet and dramatist. That's why the singular verb is correct. Number 18. The orator and the statesman. Here student, there are two different articles, the and the again, and the orator and the statement. So here statement. So here student joined by and here, that's why here the plural verb are is correct, because it indicates two person. One is the orator and the second is the statesman. So here are is plural and plural verb is correct here. Number 19. Student, neither of the question is here, neither of the films dash good. So student, we all know that each, every, either, neither always singular. So what is the correct one? Was is the correct one. Number 20. The king with all his ministers dash present there. Student, there are two subject, the king singular subject, all his ministers plural one, and add with what? With. But the subject, the verb must be according to the first subject. What is the first subject? King. So according to the first subject, what will be the verb? Was. Next one. Every man, 21. Every man, woman and child of the village dash wounded. Student. So here the verb starts with each, every, either, neither, every. So the verb must be singular verb. So was is correct. 22. Curry and rice. Again student, curry and rice always used together. That's why it is one. Here it indicate only one dish. That's why here is correct. 23. He is one of the greatest leaders that dash ever lived. Student, here dash, that is the relative pronoun, and before relative pronoun the antecedent is one of the greatest leader. So he is one of the greatest leaders. That's why one of the greatest leaders is here singular one. That's why has is correct one. Number 24. A number of students. Student, a number of students indicate what? Number of students, plural. That's why were is correct. Number 25. The boy and the girl. Student, two singular subject joined with and, so it must be plural. So go is correct. 26. The orator and the statesman dash arrived. Again student, the orator and the statesman, two person, two different person, because there are two articles used here, the and the again. That's why it is plural. So have is correct. 27. Many of the students dash failed in the examination. Students, many of the students, here indicate plural one. That's why subject is plural, verb must be plural. So have is correct one. Now number 28. Most of the students dash their time. So student, most of the student, plural subject, that's why the verb must be plural. So west, here west is plural verb. 29. A large number of workers dash struck work. So a large number of workers, large number always plural. So here have is correct, plural verb have is correct. Number 30. He and his friend. Student, here there are two subject, he and his friend. Two subject joined with and. So here plural, this is subject is plural here. So plural have is correct. Plural verb have is correct. 31. The Arabian Nights dash still a great favorite. So student, we all know that Arabian Nights is the book name, that's why age is correct. 32. Mathematics dash an important subject. Here student, by mistake the answer is written age is correct one, because mathematics is a subject. It's here, it's in mathematics age in plural form because s is written at the end, but it is always singular because it is the name of a single subject. 33 student, number 33. Politics dash his chief interest. So again here, like mathematics, politics, again it is in plural form but it is singular. So politics was his chief interest. Now 34. The committee dash chosen their chairman. Student, committee, we all know that committee is what? Collective noun, that's why has is correct. Number 35. 100 kilometers dash a good distance. Student, 100 kilometers, it indicates the definite distance, that's why singular verb is correct. Number 36. Veena and not you. So what is the first subject, student? There are two subjects. First one is Veena and second one is you. So according to the first subject, the verb must be singular. So has is correct one. Now student, number 37. Mr. Thakur as well as his wife and his brother-in-law dash hot curry. So here there are two subjects. First one, Mr. Thakur, singular subject, and as well as his wife, again singular subject, as well as his wife and his brother-in-law. So there are plural one. Mr. Thakur as well as his wife and his brother-in-law dash hot curry. So here student, as well as two subject joined by as well as. So verb must be according to the first subject. So what is the first subject? Mr. Thakur. So according to Mr. Thakur, third person singular number, so the verb must be singular. So likes is correct. Number 38. 1,000 rupees dash a big sum. So student, 1,000 rupees is a definite amount. That's why the singular subject is correct. 39. Each of her rooms. Student, here the sentence starts with each of. So the verb must be singular. So each is correct. Question number 40. Each day and each hour. Again the sentence starts with each day. So here each day and each hour. Student, if the two subjects joined with each, so the verb must be singular. So brings is correct one. Number 41. The horse and the carriage dash at the door. Student, so horse and carriage always used together. So each is correct. 42. My friend and benefactor. Student, here again the adjective, possessive adjective my is used only one time. So it indicates that my friend and benefactor is only one person. So the verb must be singular. 43, number 43, the house with its content dash insured against fire. Student, here there are subject here, the house and its content, with its content. So the verb must be according to the house. So according to the house, the singular verb was is correct. Now number 44, everybody dash happy at the picnic. Student, each, every, either, neither, everybody, somebody is always singular. So here was is correct. 45, dash either of the twins. Either, again this is a interrogative sentence, but the sentence here starts with either. That's why the singular subject is singular verb is correct. 46, the jury dash divided in their opinions. Student, here jury is collective noun, but the jury divided in their opinion, so it indicates the individual one. So student, here plural verb were is correct. 47, this is the only one of his stories that dash worth reading. Student, here that is what? Relative pronoun. And before relative pronoun, what is the antecedent? Only one of his stories. Only one of his stories. So here it indicates what? Singular one. So here each is correct. Singular verb each is correct. Number 48, 2/3 of the town dash in rains. Student, here, so 2/3, it indicates 2/3, first subject and first noun and second noun, the town, and it's joined with of. So 2/3 of the town indicate what? It indicates the definite quantity of the town. So that's why here the singular verb is correct. Number 49, 3 parts of the business. Here again, student, the definite amount of the business is indicated. That's why the singular verb is correct. Number 50, a list of weak boys in our class dash been prepared. So a list, here student, the subject is noun plus of plus noun. Noun, what is the first noun? A list, then the preposition of, and then weak boys in our class. So verb must be according to the first noun. What is the first noun here? A list is the first noun. So according to a list, singular verb has is correct one. So student, we have solved 50 questions. I hope you have enjoyed this session. I will come with the other practice set and other video lectures. So keep watching my channel. Thank you for watching my channel. Subscribe it and share it with your friends and relatives. Thank you once again.